puzzle looks so simple. We did such a gigantic puzzle in the last commands puzzle. In this one, all we have to do is move forward up to here, turn right, move forward a little bit more, then collect the gem. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Wait a minute, I can't see any turn right commands. How will we solve the puzzle without a turn right command? Looks like this puzzle isn't as easy as I thought it would be. Sometimes in coding, we need to use existing commands to make new ones. Like in this case, we're going to be using turn left to make a turn right. This is called composition. And to do this, I'm going to need my friend, Emma. This is Emma. Today, Emma's going to be helping us learn how to do one turn right. So as you can see, Emma is facing forward, which means that she is facing you guys. But she has to be turning right, looking this way. So let's do that by adding some turn lefts. One turn left. It's not the same when she's looking this way. Let's try another one. No, now her back's facing you guys and she's not facing this one. Try one more time. She is turned right. So now we know that whenever we want Emma to turn right, all we have to do is 3 turn lefts. Now that we know how to turn right, let's start to code it up. First, we need to do 1 move forward. And then 2 move forwards. So right now, she will be at the edge, so she has to do 1 more move forward. Now we need to do turn right. As we figured out, we can do turn right by doing 3 turn lefts. 1 turn left, 2 turn lefts, and 3 turn lefts. Now let's run our code. Yay! She's turned right. Now all we need to do is collect the gem. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, so let's move this to the side. Let's count how many move forward she needs to do first. 1, 2, and 3. So let's try 3 move forwards. 1 move forward, 2 move forward, 3 move forwards. Now she should be on the gem, so let's collect the gem. There we are. Now let's run my code. Our code, sorry. Okay, she's turning right now. Great. Now she's going to the gem. Yay! Way to go, guys. You just finished a pretty hard puzzle. Give yourself a pat on the back because I'm sure that your parents will be very proud of you. If you want to know when my next video comes out, it's easy, just subscribe. And as always, I am so happy that you are coding with me. Bye for now.